Hello, and welcome to this guide on writing a business plan. Whether you're starting a new venture or growing an existing one, a well-crafted business plan is essential. Think of it as your roadmap to success, outlining your goals and how you plan to achieve them. This guide will walk you through the key components of a winning business plan. We'll break down each section, providing clear explanations and examples to guide you. Remember, your business plan is a living document. It should evolve as your business grows and changes. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to create a business plan that attracts investors, secures funding, and guides your business toward a bright future. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of a well-structured business plan. Ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Let's get started. A business plan is like a blueprint for your company. It helps you define your goals, target your market, and secure funding. It's essential for businesses of all sizes. Think of it as a roadmap. It guides your decisions and keeps you on track. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost or make costly mistakes. A well-written business plan also attracts investors. It shows them you're serious and have a clear vision for the future. Investors want to see that their money is being used wisely. A detailed plan gives them the confidence to invest in your business. Take the time to create a comprehensive business plan. It's an investment that will pay off in the long run. Now, let's break down the key sections of a business plan. This is a brief overview of your entire business plan. It should be compelling and capture the reader's attention. Include your mission statement, products or services, target market, and key financial highlights. Provide a detailed description of your business. Explain your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and so on, your industry, your mission statement, and your vision for the future. This section demonstrates your understanding of your target market. Include information about your ideal customer, your competitors, and industry trends. Show that you know your market and how to reach them. Describe your company's organizational structure. Outline the key roles and responsibilities within your team. Highlight the experience and expertise of your management team. Describe in detail the products or services you offer. Explain the benefits of your offerings and how they meet the needs of your target market. Outline your plan to reach your target market and generate sales. Detail your marketing channels, pricing strategy, and sales process. If you're seeking funding, clearly state the amount you need and how you plan to use it. Provide financial statements, including income statements, cash flow projections, and balance sheets. These statements should project your financial performance over the next 3 to 5 years. Section 4. Seeking funding. Making your case. The funding request section is crucial if you're seeking investors or loans. Be specific about the amount of funding you need. Outline how you plan to use the funds. Will you use the money for marketing? Will you invest in new equipment? Be transparent and clear about your financial needs. Provide a realistic timeline for achieving your financial goals. Investors want to see a return on their investment. Show them that you have a solid plan for growth and profitability. Your financial projections are critical in this section. They provide a snapshot of your expected financial performance. Make sure your projections are realistic and based on solid market research. Section 5. Your business plan, a roadmap to success. A well-crafted business plan is an indispensable tool for any entrepreneur. It serves as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you navigate the challenges of starting and growing a business. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a comprehensive and compelling business plan. This plan will attract investors, secure funding, and set your business on the path to success. Remember, your business plan is a living document. Review and update it regularly to reflect changes in your market, industry, and business goals. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. Start crafting your business plan today and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.